Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Moulovi Dr.Sheikh Abdul Hannan speaking. My today's lecture has been entitled Holy Quran is 100% divine messages from Allah, the creator of the universe. Today is the third episode of the topic. In the second episode, I ended with the edition of the Holy Quran, where there was a little mistake not found at all. The messages directly brought by angel Jibril, the recitations of the Holy Prophet, and at the same time that were written as scriptures on many things, and after the death of the Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the heart of the harvest of the whole holy book was taken together and proved there was not little mistake, even a word, even a punctuation mark. However, in another place I want to mention in the Holy Quran that in some time Allah the Creator used to let His Prophet about some secret informations discussed each other of His wives. So it proves that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not prepare Holy Quran. It was prepared and made by Allah the Creator, because he did not know, but Allah let him know. This is the reference chapter Tahrim, verse number 3 and 5. Later on, we can read a verse from Holy Quran. Allah said, "You did not read earlier any book, even you did not write anything by your own hand, that the liars, the oppositions will have confusion about you regarding the authentication of the Holy Quran." Chapter Ankabut, verse number 48. We know that before 400 BC, the planetary system and solar systems started to be discussed, and later on that at 600 AD, whatever written regarding planetary system, solar systems, about the creations of the earth and the sky in the Holy Quran was no difference. It proves that whatever was thought by the scientists earlier and later on, they explained about the planetary system was very equal to the writings regarding the creations of the earth and the sky in the Holy Quran were total equal and same. It proved that Holy Quran was made directly by Allah. We can see another thing. Chapter Najm. It's a very important chapter in the Holy Book, Quran. Chapter Najm from 1 to 18. It is the great miracles of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that was not found in any life of the 1,24,000. In contrast, 2,24,000 prophets. It was what? It was Miraj. That means directly meeting and talking with the Creator, Allah Rabbul Alamin, in the throne of Him in the sky. So Miraj was very much miraculous in the world history, in the history of all the prophets. Somebody says Miraj is not actually really happened, but it's wrong. Somebody confused that how within some minutes a man from the earth went to the sky. I want to come and I want to address those people. Think about The present discovery is television and computer, as well as the weapon, rocket, missile, etc. We know the speed of the light is unlock 86,000 miles per second. If it is so, and later on, 51 crores unlock 500 distances from one end to the other end of the earth. If you very instantly within a second, we see the programs of the television within this short special period of moment. If light goes like this is why it was impossible for Muhammad, why it was impossible for Allah to take his prophet to him in the sky. It was very easier for the Creator Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It was very, very easier. So it proves, and to mention that, then that media called horse-like shape, called Borak, its speed was so vast, so unimaginative that within one step of that horse-like Borak is very equal to the one look of our eyesight till the last destination. Within a moment, our eyesight can, as fast as which direction, that direction in one step, that Burak could proceed. So it was not very impossible for Allah to take the Burak with his prophet to the mirrors in the throne of Allah. So it proves that Holy Quran was made by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And later on, Allah again said in the Holy Quran, and He never makes something by His own. He never tells by His own. It is the message comes from the